This is Niall Lombardi from Best RV Center. What is behind me is a perfect fifth wheel for your camping. It's a brand new 2025 Arcadia 294 SLR. Now, Arcadia is a division from Keystone, such as Montana, Alpine, Cougar, and Arcadia. It's the same level. So, but the Arcadia, what really I like about it is that aerodynamic gel-coated cap on the front with LED light here, so you could see at night when you hitch up your truck. And then it has like a 3D, the wording Arcadia, and they start using the Kurt Hilux. What is Kurt Hilux? It is a nice Kimpin. It gives you shock as well as spring loaded here, so make it less bouncing on your fifth wheel when you're traveling. So that's the beauty about the Arcadia. They use the new Kurt's, the one with the spring and the shock. One of the advantage on why you need to purchase Keystone Arcadia is because they provide you with a 3-year structural warranty. That's a big warranty. That's to show you how much the manufacturer, they're proud about their building. And again, it's made in America. And they're so proud, and that's the reason why they give you 3 years. They're not worried because they build it right. As well, we have two propane tank, and they're on the each side. So you have 7 gallon on this side, other 7 gallon on the other side. I like what they did here because, when you go camping, majority of the time, where you spend it? You spend it outside. So what they did, they give you everything you need for outside. They give you a grill, so I could cook my hamburgers, whatever. They give you a fridge. You could put your cold sodas and beer. And then they say, oh, wait a minute. We need to give you more fridge. So they give you another fridge here. So you could put soda for the kids or the grandkids. If it's my fridge, I fill it with beer. So they give you a nice fridge here. Plus, if you don't need the fridge, if you say, now, listen, we're in my storage, no problem. We can remove it away from you because this is removable. So you have two refrigerators, one over here, one over there. You have a grill, as well. You have outside TV hookup. It's right there, 110 satellite cable, and you can put the TV here if you want, or you could put on a stand table. Two power awning. This is a nice features. They cover my kitchen outside when I'm cooking, as well cover my area when I have here my table and the chairs. On the 294, they use ABS electric brake. That's a big deal. They make it more safer behind you, especially in slippery road and snow. So that's another advantage for you. You can see the two power awning, they're lit up. In the back, they give you the ladder. Other brands, they give you ladder prep. But the nice thing about the Arcadia, they give you the ladder. The backup camera prep. You can see all these LED lights. They give you also, I like this touch, the power cord with the Keystone logo on. Receivers in the back, where you could put a bike rack or a tray or whatever you like. Nice slide out here. Coming down, you could see those red drums. You have endless hot water heater over here. That's a plus. We have one docking station where you could do my auto leveling here, my city water connections, my outside sprayers, my gray tank, two gray tank, black water tank, black tank flush, sewer flush, cable hookup, sunlight hookup. So all of it is one piece docking and with instruction to show you how to use it. Then they give you this storage again, where you have another controller for the slide out. So I could control the slide from inside as well outside in the basement storage. I have water filtration system, as you see in the video, a beautiful LED strip over there to show them, aluminum construction, full installations, nice rubber mounts for my stuff. Please release before closing. Simple and easy. You just open it. Voila. Additional solar prep. Now this unit come already with a 220-watt solar panel already on the roof, but they give you this port in case if a customer has his own solar, you want to add it up to the existing solar on the roof, you could plug it in over here. more power. Nice LED light. Coming over here, you have a front storage, and they give you a shock, so you could see here the controller for the solar panel, the battery disconnect switch, the tire monitoring system, the spare tires. So all of it in this, you could put dirty stuff. My spare is protected so nobody could steal it, and it's clear from the outside elements. So this is the Arcadia 294, and you could see the extra features and benefit they provided. Also, you could see here, this has the peak weather protection package or extreme weather package. The can opener, that's easy touch. You can open your beer. Nice handle. You can reach it. Very easy step to get in. I love this area is the separations. What does mean separation? You have a nice dining area, nice beautiful living area. I'm sitting watching the games, with those, power recliners and lines and all this. You can do it right here, but you have to be plugged in 110. So I could sit here, watch my nice 50-inch TV with a fireplace. People could sit on a big sofa. This is a 3-seat sofa, by the way. 3 people could sit on the sofa. And by the way, this is a bigger bed. That's big. And the nice table and 4 chair. The lady behind me, she's cooking something for dinner, so she's not in my way. I like they give you that box. Nobody noticed. 10 plugs right there, in case if you have a laptop. The table now is really attached to the wall, which is finally, I don't have no legs or post hitting my legs. Easy to get in the tables, easy to seat 4 people. And a lot of storage. I love these handles. You can see very self-closing. Smart TV, fireplace, Bluetooth speakers. This sofa is big. I mean, you could really, if I lay down here on this sofa, oh man, perfect. I could go on a nap on the sofa, and I don't need to open it. I'm 5.6, so this is almost 6 feet, so 3 seat. And this one is a height a bit, it could open all the way to the middle of the living room. A beautiful unit, 2 ACs with a fantastic fan in the kitchen. You tell me about pantries. Where's your pantries? What do you need? Spice rack, canned food, cereals, cooking pans, you name it. Plenty storage. And here's you have the 11 cubic foot refrigerator with a fridge and freezer. Run of 12 volt. No worries. I have big solars in the roof. And this is my kingdom. This bar, I really like it because I could put stuff here when I do like buffet. Like, when I have my kids, I put chips, salsa, carrots, all kind of stuff. And then they just go watch a movie. They come over here, loading. They go back to their seat and watch a movie. More storage. Don't tell me you don't have enough counter space. You have place for trash can, multiple trash can. You have a place here for trash can. Nice country farm sink. Love place for silverware, storage and storage and storage. Endless storage. Nice microwave. Again, storage. 3 burner range. Nice prep area on the right and the left of the stove, as well. Nice prep area on the right and the left from the sink. You have the oven and more tinsel doors, you name it. Nice, beautiful coloring, very contemporary. That's what I like about the Arcadia. It's modern. You don't walk in a unit look like in the 70s. Nice handle, easy to get in. You could put your shoes with light. You could see this at night when you go to bed. Going here, it's a beautiful. This is nice 60 by 80 queen bed with a wardrobe closet. You have your AC on top of you. You have shelf here. There's room here to put my breathing machine, my books, my laptop, my water bottles before I go to bed. It's a prep for second TV in the bedroom on the wall. Now we don't add it because some people they say I don't care about TV, but if you want it, we could add it. It's no big deal. You have plenty closet here, hanging clothes, his and her. with mirrors, socks, drawers, underwear, and all this is the full storage. I don't know what you need more than that. Coming down here, you have still full privacy in the bedroom. Going here, you have a nice solid medicine cabinet, not a paper. Sink, prepping area, hot water here, porcelain toilet, linen closets, hanging clothes, and big showers. You could sit on it, do your business. Light, skylight, very roomy, very beautiful. This is 294 Arcadia, and the 294 I really like the rear den, very open, very roomy. Oh, and by the way, I forgot the light on this one is dimmer. Okay, I could dim them here. Come to Best RV. We have this at a price no one could match. Again and again, I'm gonna say it again and again until get my message outside. We have the best deal, lowest prices, no hidden fees, no bogus fees. It's worth the drive to Best RV.